Next, we're going to work our hip flexor strength. This looks a lot like the leg raise we did laying on our back for our knee. However, we're going to be sitting up against the wall. Have your low back against the wall as much as you can so you're not arching or not slouching. That way it really targets our hip flexor, which attaches to our lumbar spine in the front of our hip. What you're going to do here, you have one knee up for support, belly tight. You're going to try to lift that leg up. It won't get very high. And have a little object to come up and over. And you're going to lift up and out again if you can. Okay? Then you're going to bring it back. Up, over. As you do that, your butt's going to keep coming away from the wall. Keep staying back. You're going to feel it burning right in that thigh, maybe deep in that hip flexor. It might even cramp up a lot at first. If it does, don't worry about trying to do too many. I'm a little weak on these myself. But when you train them, they do get better. Just do what you can.